Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm and sunny afternoon live here from Singapore. I'd like to welcome all of you to the Middle East and Africa Retail Banking Innovation Awards 2025. Now, I'm Nirav Patel, the Managing Editor of The Digital Banker and, of course, its sister company, Global Private Banker. I think it's pertinent to start off by thanking each and every single financial services institution that has taken the rigorous process of submitting under this year's assessment cycle. Now, our analysts did predict an upshift in the number of submissions we received across Middle East and Africa, and that has, of course, proven true. After its 5th year of running, this is now a half a decade that we celebrate for the MRB Awards. We're pleased to say we received the most number of submissions we have to date. And it's not just the volume, but also the quality that has increased significantly. And of course, we would expect that as technology spend increases in the region as well. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you for submitting and supporting this assessment program. As we've said many times before, it is this assessment that allows us to provide vital benchmarks into the retail banking landscape, which of course encapsulates SME banking as well as wealth management teams within the retail banking players. Now, we don't just judge products and services and, of course, balance sheet strength. We also judge innovation, right? We're looking at not just the rudimentary implementation of technology, but we're understanding what the material impact of that tech implementation has had on your customers, on stakeholders, on organizational processes. And of course, what we're seeing at the moment is AI adoption coming to the fore. Still in its infancy, we see a lot of banks piloting AI models, mainly to drive operational proficiencies and of course to lower labor-intensive steps, but also to save costs and lower TCO, and that's working out well. Certain, maybe more forward-thinking projects have led to increased shareholder value, and this is specifically looking at AI technologies and how they may have driven higher revenues in SME banking and of course the wider retail banking landscape as well. Now, particularly within the Middle East and Africa, we have seen some positive innovation through the use of AI use cases. We're seeing organizations really run imaginative use cases for customer journeys as well, while still seamlessly providing retail banking services and of course driving financial inclusion. It's an exciting market. And I would like to announce that next year we will be there live to run this gala and meet the honorees and of course run a wider campaign as well. So ladies and gentlemen, with that said, this is of course your afternoon, your evening, your morning. Thank you for joining us. And my name is Nirav Patel, Managing Editor of The Digital Banker. We're now going to go straight into the Retail Product Innovation Awards. Now, just before we kick off with our first honoree, this will all be recorded. All of these assets will be made available to you and of course shared across our online and offline channels. We do encourage you to say a few words to increase the augmentation. Now, ladies and gents, without further ado, in the Retail Product Innovation Awards category, we are going to kick off with the Best New Product Launch of the Year. Now, of course, this was a highly competitive category. And I'm delighted to introduce your winner under the 2025 assessment cycle, which is none other than Citibank. And here we have their Vice President for Cards of Citi UAE, Umair Ahmed Sayed. Umair, it's great to see you live on screen. Over to you for a few words.
On behalf of Citi, I'd like to thank the Digital Banker for this prestigious recognition. The Citi Ultima card was born out of deep research and a clear understanding that there was a gap in the UAE market for a truly premium travel product. With Citi Ultima, we've designed an end-to-end offering for the discerning traveler, with benefits providing the flexibility to fly with any airline, stay at any hotel, and enjoy freedom through our Fly with Citi Miles redemption option. But beyond travel, Ultima also serves as a bridge into Citi's wealth offering. It opens doors to a world of lifestyle and financial possibilities. At this time, I'd also like to extend our gratitude to MasterCard, who provided their invaluable partnership to bringing this vision to life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Umair, and thank you for sharing those insights. And it's great to hear about the work Citi's doing with MasterCard in the Best New Product Launch of the Year award category. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to move over to the second award of this year's cycle. Again, still under the Retail Product Innovation category, we now look and assess the Best Savings Account. And your honoree that was recognized this year is Arab African International Bank. Now, we are joined by their head of consumer banking live, Ms. Dina Zerkrai.
Good morning and good evening, everyone. It's a true honor for the Arab African International Bank to receive the Best Saving Account in the Middle East and Africa Award from the Digital Banker. For over 6 decades, AIB has stood at the forefront of Egypt's banking industry, combining a legacy of strengths with a vision for innovation and financial inclusion. Thanks to the launch of Egypt's first fully digital high-yield e-Golden Saving Account in April 2024, we set a new standard for retail banking with tiered interest rates up to 30%. The account mobilized more than 32 billion in deposits in just 8 months, surpassing our target and attracting a remarkable number of new-to-bank clients. Its mobile-first design allows anyone to open and manage a saving account in under 30 seconds and no paperwork, making banking faster, more efficient, more easy, and more accessible. Beyond that, the success of the e-Golden Saving Account reflects our commitment to empowering all segments of society, from tech-savvy savers to underserved communities, while transforming operation and deepening customer engagement. Finally, at AIB, we envision a future where digital innovation drives inclusion, efficiency, and opportunities. This award inspires us to continue pushing boundaries, delivering meaningful solutions, and shaping the future of banking in Egypt and across the region. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dina. And of course, congratulations to Arab African International Bank, or AIB. We've just heard exactly how the organization is really driving a heightened customer experience to its customers. And we look forward to a little bit more work from you guys next year as well. So thank you very much. Now, ladies and gents, let's move over to the final award within this retail product innovation category. Now, I may add that there is one more institution that we needed to highlight, but unfortunately they've been unable to attend the award this afternoon. If we get them in, we will come to them at the end. We're now going to assess the loan offering of the year. And the winner for 2025 is none other than Emirates NBD, and we're joined by the head of unsecured lending products, Jayakrishnan Kayapurath. Jayakrishnan, it's great to see you live on stage. The floor is yours.
Thank you, Naveen. For us, it's a great honor for Emirates NBD to receive this award from the Digital Banker. And we always look forward to digitizing our loan journeys, and these recognitions really add value to our purpose of digitizing our not only the loan journeys, the various processes that we have. So we really appreciate this recognition, and we look forward for bringing more efficiencies in our journeys by digitization. And we truly believe that this, in addition to increasing the efficiency, will also help us improving the customer experience. And definitely, this adds as a motivator for us to pursue our journey in digitization. So thank you very much, the Digital Banker. We from Emirates NBD Retail Products really value this recognition and look forward for even better contributions to the loan journeys across. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and thank you for sharing your initiative with us over there at Emirates NBD. And of course, that was for the loan offering of the year, so well done to everybody in the team that were involved in that. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to move over to the SME Banking Awards category. Now, of course, as you all know, SME banking and SMEs are the backbone of all economies. This is a relatively underserved segment of retail banking. We still see a lot of momentum driving in SME banking, so much so that the Digital Banker has a standalone global SME banking innovation assessment program, which will be running next year. This, of course, is a category within the Middle East and Africa retail banking program, focusing purely on the SME banking landscape. So we're looking at a B2B outcome here. And ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go into your first honoree here, who has been recognized for 3 individual awards. The first of which is the Consumer Finance Product of the Year. The second is the Islamic Credit Card of the Year for cashback. And finally, outstanding digital innovation in SME banking. And it gives me great pleasure to introduce your honoree for the 2025 cycle, and that is none other than Mashreq Bank, and we're joined by their VP and product owner, Manan Jain. Congratulations, Manan.
Thank you. We are deeply honored to receive this award from Digital Banker. This recognition is based on the collective effort of the team that goes in building these seamless customer experiences. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, and congratulations for those 3 accolades. Now, ladies and gents, your next honoree has similarly been recognized and assessed for 3 awards, and that is the Best New SME Product of the Year, followed by the Best Smart Payment Solution by an SME Bank, and finally the Outstanding Digital Innovation in SME Banking in Africa. And your winner is none other than Absa Bank Mauritius, and we're joined by the Head of Digital Transformation, Mr. Sandeep Mohapatra. Sandeep, great to see you. Hope you're well. Over to you for a few words.
Thank you, Nirav. On behalf of Absa Bank Mauritius, it's truly an honor not to accept just 1, 2, but 3 awards this time from the Digital Banker for our new product, Spark Business by Absa. SMEs are the backbone of the Mauritian economy, and Spark Business was built to empower them with simple, smart, and scalable digital solutions. Spark Business is Mauritius' first and only truly omni-channel payment collection and business enablement platform straight from a smartphone app. It enables our merchants to collect payments via QR, tap on glass, SMS pay, and so much more straight from a smartphone. These recognitions affirm that we listen to our clients and we innovate with purpose. We can truly transform the way businesses grow and connect today. At Absa, we believe payments are not just transactions, but true enablers of business growth. I would like to sincerely once again thank the Digital Banker for this recognition, our clients for trusting us, and most importantly, our incredible team whose passion and dedication has made Spark possible. Today, we celebrate not only Absa's achievement, but the resilience and ambition of every entrepreneur who dares to dream. This win is as much theirs as it is ours. Thank you.
Brilliant words, and congratulations, Sandeep, and of course to Absa Mauritius for these 3 accolades. Fantastic work and well warranted. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to move over to the final award within this category. Don't worry, the gala is not yet over. We still have a number of categories to go through. So let's honor our final honoree within the SME banking category, and this is for the outstanding growth, this time for MSME clients. And your winner is none other than Bank Al Jazeera, and we're joined by the Head of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise, Khalid Al Rashed. Khalid, great to see you on screen. Over to you for a few words.
Oh, well, thank you. And thank you for this prestigious award and your recognition of Bank Al Jazeera as a major player in the SME banking in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, which is part of the bank's strategic objective to grow and nurture the segment of SMEs within Saudi. So on behalf of MSME Banking and Bank Al Jazeera as a whole, thank you for this award, and wishing you all the best.
Thank you very much, Khalid. Congratulations to everybody at Bank Al Jazeera for the outstanding growth of MSME clients. Now, ladies and gentlemen, just before we conclude this category, we're going to go over to the Wealth Management Awards, of which we have 4 to announce this year. Of course, a thank you to all the aforementioned honorees, and thank you for sharing insights. We've learned some great initiatives around what they're doing. And of course, we will be bringing that to the forefront of our online and offline channels over the next few days. Without further ado, it's time to go into the wealth management category, and the first award within this segment is assessing the best digital wealth platform. Now, this is an area where we see significant investment from banks when it comes to democratizing wealth management, not just for ultra high and high net worth, but for the general retail population. And this year, your winner is Standard Chartered, and here we're joined by the Corporate and Institutional Banking Group, Karin Sue Mathabula. Over to you for a few words, and congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much to Digital Banker for this prestigious recognition. I think it's important for us not only in respect of what we're able to offer our clients, but also an acknowledgement of the significant progress that we're making across the business, particularly for our colleagues who have worked tirelessly to make sure that we're bringing the right solutions to our customers across the region. So thank you so much for the recognition.
You're very welcome, Karen, and congratulations for all the work and the efforts driven by the team to be recognized for the best digital wealth platform. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to now have a look at the next honoree who has been recognized for 2 individual accolades this year. The first of which is the best hybrid wealth management offering, and the second, the best wealth manager for the mass affluent. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to welcome back your winner, Standard Chartered, and this time we're joined by Head of Affluent and Wealth Solutions, EMEA and UAE, Aisha Abbas. Aisha, it's great to see you live on screen. The floor is yours.
Thank you very much. Absolute pleasure to be here once again. So thank you very much, first of all, to the Digital Banker for this opportunity, and especially to be around such great thinkers, thought leaders across Middle East and Africa. It's always our pleasure to be in your company, and hopefully next time we'll see you in person as well. So on behalf of Standard Chartered Bank, I'm absolutely honored to accept this award, and not just one, but 2. And my colleague Karen has just accepted one. So congratulations to the entire team there and to the team for getting the award. As we fulfill the needs of our clients across Africa and Middle East through our hybrid wealth solutions, our digital wealth solutions, and not just being there for the affluent clients alone, which is our key focus area, but also being able to get to wider communities and get financial inclusion across the board through our innovative digital solutions where everyone can really participate and be inclusive within the offerings of financial solutions that we have across Standard Chartered. So on behalf of the team, and a big congratulations to everyone in StanChart, and thank you once again, Digital Banker, for not just 1, 2, 3, but 4 awards. We're absolutely honored. Thank you ever so much.
Thank you very much, Aisha. And of course, congratulations for the 2 accolades, and of course, the former one represented by Karen. Thank you. Very informative. And of course, we look forward to hearing more from you at a later time. Now, ladies and gents, we're going to move over to the final award within this segment of the Retail Banking or Middle East and Africa Retail Banking Innovation Awards. And I remember we're still on the Wealth Management category. And the final one is Wealth Hub of the Year. Aisha earlier said, congratulated her team and was pleased to receive 4 or 3 awards. Well, we're not finished yet. The next one is the Wealth Hub of the Year, and your honoree is Standard Chartered Bank UAE. But this time we're joined by the Head Wealth and Retail Banking UAE and International Banking for EMEA, Rajesh Kannan. Rajesh, good to see you. You're live. The floor is yours. Congratulations.
Thank you, Nirav. Good to virtually meet you as well. On behalf of Standard Chartered UAE, I'm truly honored and delighted to accept this award for the Wealth Hub of the Year from Digital Banker. We are one of the oldest financial institutions in the UAE, and the recognition reflects our commitment to offering a market-leading suite of wealth propositions and solutions to our clients from every segment, from mass affluent to high net worth to the ultra high net worth. We do this by combining our global reach with local expertise. Recently, we launched Priority Private, which is one of our propositions for the globally mobile high net worth diaspora, especially in the UAE and other similar markets. This empowers them to seamlessly manage their wealth across borders. Recently, in this year, we also launched a Priority Private Center that is designed to deliver a truly bespoke banking and wealth management experience to these clients. Under Priority Private, we offer a range of solutions, including exclusive access to investment opportunities to these clients. That includes alternatives, private markets, and multi-market wealth lending solutions. So thank you to the Digital Banker for giving us this recognition. And thank you also to all our clients for their trust and their confidence, because it's that which inspires us to raise the bar on wealth management. Thank you, Nirav.
Thank you very much, Rajesh, and thank you for those insights. Really helpful. And that, of course, is Standard Chartered Bank UAE for Wealth Hub of the Year. Now, ladies and gentlemen, and of course, esteemed honorees, we're going to move over to the Omni-Channel Awards, of which we are going to assess one, which is the Best ATM Innovation. And the initiative this year was won by Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank Egypt, and we're joined by Head of Alternative Delivery Channel, Mohammed Musa. Mohammed, it's fantastic to see you live on screen. Over to you for a few words. Congrats.
Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. I'm glad to be here today representing ADCB for receiving the Best ATM Innovation Award. This achievement highlights our ongoing effort to expand and upgrade our ATM network and services, focused on creating a cutting-edge and user-friendly banking journey for our customers. This milestone wouldn't have been achievable without the dedication of our digital team and the unwavering support from the bank's leadership, who have always believed in innovation and putting customers first. Many thanks for the digital banker teams, and congratulations for ADCB family. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mohammed, and congratulations to Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank Egypt for the Best ATM Innovation. Now, ladies and gentlemen, just before we move over to the Service Innovation Awards, of course, I would like to thank each and every one of you for submitting this year. We've seen some powerhouse organizations, financial institutions being represented today, and all of their representatives were, really helpful and really talked about the initiative, the work that was undertaken by the team for that recognition. Of course, at the Digital Banker, we are known for asking quite rigorous questions. If you have opened up our submission packs, you note that we ask quite a lot of questions, quite intricate questions. Some of them are sensitive, of course. But of course, this allows us to really understand the pain points that were felt by customers or stakeholders or operational inadequacies, and then looked at what initiative was driven by the banks and what the material outcome was. So we're looking at specific performance metrics here, and that's what allows us to really benchmark the best in class. And this is why you see such organizations come to the fore through this platform. It's an honor to be providing this platform as well. Now, we do have a proprietary assessment framework for those of you who may be working with us for the very first time. That is applied intricately across all of our submissions. To find out more information, of course, you can contact us. But our research teams are dedicated at bringing the winners to the forefront of the industry. Of course, there is a tremendous amount of work being done by multiple individuals, multiple stakeholder units within retail banks, wealth management teams, and of course the SME banking teams as well. Customers are not always aware of that. They see only the front end, right? It's a commoditized industry. It's difficult to carve out a niche. But where we do see a lot of capital investment is in the wealth management space, when we're looking at day-to-day retail banks really investing heavily in tech stacks, driving UX, UI capabilities on mobile apps, really allowing customers, whether they're mass affluent, high or ultra high net worths, to access investment products, in a scalable manner, in a very efficient and cohesive manner. And we're starting to see a lot of work. We heard some interesting things from a lot of banks, Standard Chartered for the wealth management. There's a lot of exciting features and pain points being resolved there as well. So our job here is to assess them, benchmark them, and of course bring them forward so customers and other stakeholders can be aware of the work you're doing. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who are just joining us, we have heard from a number of winners across several categories. We're now going to be moving over to the Service Innovation Awards. I believe there are 6 awards that we are going to be announcing. This is under the 2025 assessment cycle of the Middle East and Africa Retail Banking Awards. It's turned 5 years old. We're holding 5 years worth of repository of data on what banks are doing in the region. And it's going to allow us to really put together some highly proprietary benchmark case studies. Your first winner, ladies and gents, under the Service Innovation category is for the Outstanding Customer Service Innovation by a Retail Bank. And I'm pleased to announce your winner, Bank Al Jazeera. We're joined by the head of retail digital channels of Retail Digital Banking, Mohammed Al Sadoun. Mohammed, it's great to see you. You may have opted to not say a few words, but if you wish to, you're very welcome to.
Yeah, thank you very much. We are truly honored to receive this award and would like to extend my sincere gratitude to all participants from the bank top management and the digital team. Thank you again for this recognition and award.
Congratulations to Bank Al Jazeera, Mohammed, to yourself and your team. Well done on that well-warranted recognition. Now we move over to the second honoree within the service innovation category. Now this particular institution has been recognized for 4 accolades under this year's assessment cycle. The very first of which is for the best mobile banking initiative in the Middle East. The second, the best payments innovation, followed by the best pure play digital initiative, and last but not least, the best data analytics initiative. Now, for these 4 accolades, I would like to welcome the Vice President and Product Owner, Manan Jain, from none other than Mashreq Bank, to collect these and represent the bank on their behalf.
So on behalf of Mashreq, we are truly honored to receive the awards from Digital Banker. This recognition is a testament of our ongoing efforts to build real-time solutions for the customer that they can access with ease and simplicity. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Manan, and congratulations to Mashreq Bank for those 4 awards. Now, still remaining within the service innovation category, we will go to the best contact center initiative. And your winner, a familiar institution from this afternoon, is none other than Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, Egypt, and we're rejoined by Mohammed Musa, who is the head of Alternative Delivery Channel. Now, Mohammed, we heard from you a little bit earlier on for another award. We'd love to hear a bit more about the Best Contact Center initiative.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. I'm proud to represent ADCB as we receive the second award, which is the Best Contact Center Initiative. At ADCB, we believe that outstanding customer service is the foundation of banking. Our contact center team has worked consistently to innovate and improve how we connect with our customers, making their experience faster, more personalized, and more effective. This achievement is a milestone that reflects not only the dedication and the commitment of our teams, but also the strong support from our leadership, who always empower us to put customers first. Thanks again for the Digital Bankers team, and congratulations for ADCB family.
Thank you very much, Mohammed. Congratulations once again. Now, ladies and gentlemen and esteemed honorees, we are going to move over to the digital innovation category. And I believe we have 5 accolades to announce this year. Now, the next institution who has been recognized under this category is actually being recognized for 2 accolades, the first of which is the Best Mobile Banking Initiative in Egypt, followed by the Best Digital Transformation Program. And it gives me tremendous pleasure to welcome your winner, once again, Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, Egypt. And this time we're joined by the Head of Innovation and Digital Solutions, Amr Mohammed Naguib. It's great to see you live on screen. We'd love to hear a few words from you.
So hello, everyone. Thank you very much for the opportunity that we're here. I'm very excited to be accepting this award on behalf of ADCB Egypt. It's not about the best mobile banking initiative or the best digital transformation program, but I believe this award is more about the incredible team and all the creativity and the efforts and the hard work that they put in every single day. We at the Digital Transformation Department, we always back up the business and help them to achieve the bank's goals and objectives. So recently, we launched the digital credit card request for the customers, allowing the customers to apply for credit cards and receive instant decision through their mobile app. Also, we have recently launched instant payment transfers through banking, backed up by our national instant payment network. with the highest limits in the market. We're up to 5 million EGP. I believe this puts ADCB at the top banks that put their customers ahead of everything. This recognition also inspires us to keep exploring, innovating, and finding better ways to serve our clients. So thank you very much. I would like to thank the Digital Banker Middle East for this honor, and congratulations to all the nominees.
Thank you very much, Amr, and thank you for those insights. Congratulations to Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank Egypt. Now, ladies and gents, we're going to move over to the Digital Lending Product of the Year Cards Installment Program, Tahasil. Now, our honoree could not be with us, but we will accept this award on their behalf, and that goes to Al Raji Bank. Congratulations to all that were part of that recognition, and of course, you'll get an opportunity to hear from the representatives at a later stage. We will now move over to the final award within this category, and that is a winner who has been recognized for 2 accolades. The first of which is Excellence in Digital Innovation. The second is Outstanding Client Onboarding and Account Opening. We all know that that is a highly competitive category, probably one that the Digital Banker receives a tremendous, overwhelming number of submissions from. So congratulations to this next institution. Your winner is none other than First Abu Dhabi Bank, National Housing Loan, of course, FAB. And here we're joined by the head of National Housing Loans, Khaled Al-Zabi. Khaled, it's great to see you. You have opted to not say something, but you are very welcome to if you want to.
Thank you very much. Let me start by thanking the Digital Banker for this award and for organizing such tremendous and excellent platform for all institutions to inspire others. Thank you very much, really appreciate it, and it's part of our commitment toward a customer-first strategy and innovation and leadership. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Khaled. It's great to see you and hear from you, and congratulations to everyone at First Abu Dhabi Bank. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I believe we move over to the Marketing and Customer Engagement Awards. And we have 5 accolades to announce under this year's cycle for this segment, the first of which is for the Islamic Credit Card of the Year under the Travel, and also the Best Customer Loyalty Program. Now, your winner has been recognized for both of these accolades, and that is none other than Emirates Islamic, and we're joined by the head of cards and products, Sarfaraz Aziz. Sarfaraz, it's great to see you live on screen.
Likewise. Thank you so much, Nirav. It is truly an honor for us to receive 2 prestigious awards. On behalf of Emirates Islamic and Cards team, I would like to thank the Digital Banker Awards team for recognizing us. These awards are a reflection of dedication and commitment of the team, and also the vision of Emirates Islamic to be among the top Islamic banks in the UAE. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Sarfaraz, and congratulations to Emirates Islamic. We will now go and look at the Best Lifestyle App. Now remember, ladies and gents, this is under the Marketing and Customer Engagement segment. And your winner for the Best Lifestyle App under this year's cycle is none other than Emirates NBD. And this time we're joined by a project manager of group marketing, Palak Pando. Palak, it's great to see you. If you'd like to say a few words, the floor is yours.
Good evening, good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you, Digital Banker, for the prestigious recognition. On behalf of Emirates NBD, we are honored to receive this the award for the Lifestyle App. And a huge thank you to everyone who have made this possible. And we'll keep innovating to bring more lifestyle benefits to our users. At Emirates NBD, we are not only ensuring that our digital products or services run successfully, but we continue to evolve to create value for our customers and business. Thank you once again for this recognition.
Thank you very much, Palak, and congratulations to everybody at Emirates NBD involved in the Best Lifestyle App initiative. Now, esteemed honorees, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you maybe just joining us, we are still on the Marketing and Customer Engagement segment. We're going to move over to the next award. Now, this is for the Outstanding Customer Relations and Brand Engagement Initiative. The honoree has also been recognized for the Outstanding Marketing Initiative for a new product. So we are looking at 2 accolades here. And the honoree for both of these accolades is Citibank, and we're joined by their Vice President, Wealth and Cards Marketing for Citi UAE, none other than Mohammed El Khalil. Mohammed, it's great to see you as well live on stage. The floor's yours.
Thank you very much. Hi, everyone. I'm honored to receive this award, actually these two awards on behalf of Citi. This recognition reflects the hard work and passion of the entire team. Thank you to the Digital Banker, our agencies, colleagues, and clients for making this possible. This truly means a lot to all of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mohammed, and thank you for sharing. Congratulations to yourself and all the teams for those two accolades. Now, that leaves us with the country awards, ladies and gentlemen. I believe there is another category after this, but we are very close to the end. So thank you for remaining with us and hearing from all of our honorees. We have 3 awards to announce under the country segment, the very first of which is the best retail bank in Saudi Arabia. And this year, the assessment and the award goes to Bank Al Jazeera. We have their head of contact center and self-service, Turki Al Muharib. Turki, it's great to see you. We'd love to hear a few words from you.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. First of all, I need to thanks and much appreciated for the Digital Banker for this award. And I would like to thank to all my colleagues in Bank Al Jazeera, especially for the retail group staff for their hard work, deduction that drive us to customer excellence and success. Thank you again to all of you, and we look forward to more success and achievement together in the future, inshallah. Thank you again. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Turki, and congratulations to Bank Al Jazeera for winning the best retail bank, Saudi Arabia. Now we're going to go over and look at the next 2 awards within the country awards. Both of these have been won by the same institution, the very first of which is the best SME bank for United Arab Emirates, and the second is the best SME bank, Middle East. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your winner, Emirates NBD, and we're joined by the Head of Portfolio Value Proposition and CX Business Banking, Bharat Subramanian. Bharat, it's great to see you. Over to you for a few words.
Great. Thanks, Nirav, and thanks a lot to the Digital Banker for this prestigious award. I think awards like this really gives us confidence that we are in the right direction. All the initiatives that we've been working on, delivered, and work in progress across digital and our physical infrastructure. I think the very fact that these are appreciated by customers and it's adding value to them, I think it's a great reinforcer. And again, honored to receive it, especially among all our illustrious peers. So thanks again.
Thank you very much, Bharat, and congratulations to yourself and your team for these 2 accolades. We're now going to go over to the regional awards, of which we are going to be announcing 6. And I believe, ladies and gentlemen, this is the final category for this year's awards cycle. So we're going to kick off with the first. And this honoree is actually going to be recognized under this year's cycle for 4 individual accolades, the very first of which is the best pure play digital account opening solution. Secondly, the best social media marketing initiative for Middle East, followed by the best digital bank in United Arab Emirates and the best digital bank in Middle East. And your winner here is Mashreq Bank, and we're once again joined, I believe for the 3rd time, by Manan Jain, the VP and product owner. Manan, you've said a few words, but you're very welcome to. If not, a smile and a wave would suffice. It's all down to you.
So on behalf of Mashreq, we are proud to and delighted to receive so many awards from Digital Banker, so thank you. This is a recognition of our efforts that we have put in over the years to build great experiences for our customers, right from onboarding to the entire life cycle. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and congratulations, Manan, and of course to Mashreq for all the accolades won under this year's cycle. Now, very close to the end, ladies and gents, we're going to be looking at the best retail bank, right, in United Arab Emirates. So this is specifically looking at retail, and we're also looking at the best retail bank in Middle East. And we're delighted to welcome your winner, Emirates NBD, the head of branch sales and service, Khalid Elmi. It's great to see you live. If you're going to say a few words, we'd love to hear from you.
Yes. Hi, thank you. I would like to say thank you for selecting us as a bank. Emirates NBD, we are very large in the Middle East and we are serving a lot of customers type. I would like to thank all our customers who are choosing us and thank to you for this award. Thanks, sir.
Thank you very much, Khalid. And of course, congratulations to Emirates NBD. And of course, congratulations to all the honorees mentioned. As we stated earlier, we've seen some absolutely, tier one flagship institutions across the region being nominated, being awarded this year. Just to make it clear for people watching online, all of these institutions were asked to submit intricate submissions. The digital banker does not make assessments without reviewing an audit type process of the data that is submitted to us. So once again, congratulations and thank you for all of you that undertook that commitment. For us now, it's about really putting this messaging to the forefront of the market, showcasing how retail banks, SME banks, wealth management teams in the region are really putting customers at the forefront of the journey. The new innovative products and solutions and services that are being driven by multiple teams across Middle East and Africa as well. It's been great to be hosting this year's cycle. As we mentioned earlier, we really look forward to coming to you live in Dubai next year and meeting you all in person on a larger stage. But of course, the power with these virtual platforms is we get to showcase your speeches and announcements across social media channels in perpetuity and of course on our online and offline channels. Now, any of you that are interested in gathering insights or understanding what warranted the specific accolades for each institution this year, please get in touch with our teams or follow us on LinkedIn, The Digital Banker. Of course, our website is thedigitalbanker.com. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I very much look forward to seeing many of you in Singapore in October, I believe October the 23rd, live at the Mandarin Oriental for the Global Retail Banking Innovation Awards. It's our second largest assessment program globally. But for now, let me say once again, congratulations to all the honorees recognized under this year's Middle East and Africa Retail Banking Innovation Awards. I've been Nirav Patel, Managing Editor of The Digital Banker, and I look forward to seeing you all next time. God bless. Bye-bye.